How to fix TikTok error no internet connection. First of all, simply long press on the application and tap on the app info icon. Then simply scroll down and tap on storage and you'll see a case. Tap on clear case at the bottom to clear your case and remove any corrupted files. Tap on force stop and tap on OK and simply close the application. Then simply tap on the application. Then go to your profile. Tap on the menu and tap on the settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you find free up space and tap on it. And also clear your case from here. Tap on clear, tap on clear. Now try to reset your internet connection. Go to the navigation bar and turn on airplane mode on. Now simply wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn the airplane mode back off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the nearest cell tower or router. Now if your Wi-Fi is still slow or unstable, you can always switch back to mobile data and try opening your TikTok and your problems will be fixed. And finally, if you're using any VPN, also try turning them off and now try going to the home and your problems will be fixed. And that's it for the video guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider give a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.